Yo, what up guys? Planning to visit Ilocos Sur? You may consider visiting this place and look forward to its outstanding artistry, creative and self-healing ambience. The Luminac Hospitality Santiago Project. This resort is located at Barangay Ampucao, Santiago, Ilocos Sur. Less than 6 hours ang biyahe dito mula Metro Manila. But I'm telling you, every second of your travel is really worth it. The entrance fee is 350 pesos with inclusion of finger food of the day and only coffee and detox water. Take note, your unlimited coffee is only a regular brewed coffee. Baka mamaya mag-request kayo ng unlimited Spanish latte. Oh, malinaw tayo dyan ha. Baka mamaya. Anyways, ang tanong, paano ang accommodation? Of course, meron. This resort has their villas that can accommodate couple of tourists and evening groups. For more info, visit their website at www.aluminac.co. And if you want to see more videos of this resort, you may visit our YouTube channel or click the link provided in the description. Hope you will enjoy your visit here and thank you for watching. Ciao!